Are you thinking of getting a swim spa? Wondering how the installation process works? Keep watching to find out. Swim spas are a popular, compact backyard pool you can use year-round for fun, fitness and relaxation. They're also pretty easy to install compared with traditional pools. In this video, I'll share what to expect when installing a swim spa and how to prepare for installation day so it all goes smoothly and perfectly to plan. So you've done the research, looked around and finally decided on your new swim spa. Now here comes the fun part, having it installed at your home. But before your investment arrives, you'll want to make sure you're fully prepared. Here are our top tips to help you prepare for a smooth swim spa installation. Tip 1. Do your research. Before you install a swim spa, make sure to check the rules and regulations for spas and pools in your area, including fencing and electrical requirements. These rules are designed to keep people, especially young children, safe from injury or drowning and ensure any installation complies with building regulations. So it's important to take this step seriously. The Learning Centre on the Spa World website is also a fantastic research hub. It's packed with useful information to guide you through the process. The link is in the description below. Here you'll find a complete overview of rules and requirements for installing a spa, from hiring a crane to laying a concrete foundation. You can also chat with your spa salesperson, builder or engineer to double check you've ticked all the boxes. Tip 2. Contact your local council. Rules and regulations for spas can vary across states and regions, and in some cases rules can even differ within a region. For example, some councils require a permit over a certain size of deck, whereas others don't. Decking and fencing are some of the many aspects that can vary from council to council. For peace of mind, double check with your local certifier or council for rules specific to your area. Tip 3. Hire a professional building surveyor or certifier. Engaging a private registered building surveyor or certifier to guide you through the installation process is a great idea. It might cost a little more up front, but building surveyors and certifiers can offer professional advice, get the building permits approved, carry out an inspection at the end of the installation and submit paperwork to council, all on your behalf. At Spa World, we provide a certification service to help with any queries you may have in this area. The link is in the description below. Tip 4. Plan your landscaping. Developing the landscape design to complement your new swim spa is one of the most exciting parts. Once again, before embarking on a backyard renovation, it's worth getting some expert advice to help your outdoor space realise its potential. A skilled landscape designer will take your ideas and any specific requirements and create a landscaping plan, incorporating any extra features such as a spa pool, shade, heating and lighting. Tip 5. Prepare the foundation. With planning in place, the first part of the swim spa installation will be constructing the foundation, whether it's a timber deck, concrete or something else. If you're placing your spa or swim spa on concrete, the slab will need around a month to properly cure before the installation of the spa. Once the spa or swim spa is in place, the building and landscaping can begin. If you require electrical work, this needs to be completed before you pour the slab, depending on whether you are hardwiring your spa or plugging it into an external socket. If you're sinking your swim spa into the ground, check out our article about how to prepare your property. The link is in the description below. So what else do you need to consider before your spa arrives? In our experience, there are 3 key mistakes swim spa buyers make when planning their installation. Underestimating the time it takes from purchase to installation. We often talk to buyers who hope to be relaxing in the spa within a few months. But the reality is that the process can take up to 12 months from start to finish, depending on a number of factors like how your swim spa will be set up in the ground with decking or above the ground, compliance and access. Not being aware of local regulations. For whatever reason, some people may miss the step of applying for consent from their local council. Operating a spa pool without the required consents is risky, unlawful and can cause problems later on when renting out or selling your home. So you'll definitely want to make sure you've covered this. Forgetting to plan for access. The landscape design needs to provide good access for servicing and maintenance. You may also need to allow space for the heat pump and ventilation, cover lifters and other accessories. Again, If you know what spa and accessories you're buying, it can all be factored into the design, saving you heartache down the track. So that's our top tips to ensure your swim spa installation goes smoothly. Do your research, contact your local council, hire a professional builder, plan your landscaping and prepare the foundation, plus some other common mistakes to help you feel prepared. For more information about swim spa installations or to speak with our swim spa specialists, refer to the links in the description below or visit your local Spa World showroom.